So here's a little rundown on what we got here. Got the haul from Zane, my buddy, $1,200. It's a Carter B kit. So if you compare that haul, it's the same thing as this blaster. Just that whole nose has been cut off. There's the nose that they cut. So makes it better to ride down faces of waves or ride up waves. These tubbies right there make the whole front wider. The rear has been cut. You can see stock, not stock. So yeah, the haul, all that stuff, $1,200. For $400, I got pump, nozzle, mid shaft, 701, 61X engine. Believe it should be pretty mint. Feels tight and smooth. A little crusty on the outside. Vlogging. Bradley.
BOB. Backflip on a budget.
Backflip on a budget. How big is the budget? Here's the exhaust. So it'll turn down. So plan is keep it as cheap as we can. So far, total investment $1,600. I think I have everything I need to build it. All the big stuff anyways. I'm probably gonna put a prop in it. I've got a wet jet pipe for it. Have old Bradley weld it together for us.
Get it right.
Let's get her right. What should the goal be? $2,500 or $3,000 total build? I think $3,000 is a little more reasonable.
Yeah, especially if you want to actually get it upside down.
I think I have foot straps for it still too.
Perfect.
Oh, you know what? I'm pretty sure some dudes run like a normal foothold on these. Move that seat real quick.
Dude, that'd be kind of sick. I don't know if you get it low enough though. Yeah, but that
Seems like that bolts up pretty nice. Like it's flush. I think you need to do a normal bracket like what you do on a normal stand-up.
I think you'd get a normal bracket on a flat. It would be.
Maybe. Probably just do foot strap. Keep it cheap. All right, first things first. Bunch of bodywork, sanding, getting it all smoothed out. So got the DA. Just gonna knock down the high spots, I guess. So I've gone and sanded down, I think, all the high spots. Knocked it down best I could. You can see it's still just dimpled out there. I think naturally this is gonna be high, this will be low, this will be high. So I'm just gonna try my best to feather this out. Epoxy resin and Cabasil to thicken it up with 3M glass bubbles.
And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.
Another coat of primer down, and I think we are finished with the nose. Again, pretty happy with the overall shape. Everything filled out nice and smooth. Nothing's ever perfect, but that's, I think, as good as I have the ability to get it. So we're gonna run with that. Next up, is going to be fitting these tubbies. And I might do like a time-lapse clip or something, but the goal is for the next video to maybe summarize all the bodywork being finished. And hopefully by that point on to setting up the driveline and some more fun stuff. So peace. And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time.